Professor Odinkalu reacts as Nigerian National Judicial Commission drops Yahaya Bello's wife from judges of High Court nomination. Yeah, so we understand that the NJC, the National Judicial Council, has dropped Amina Yahaya Bello from the list of approved judges for Kogi State High Court as a judge. And everybody, they said she didn't meet the requirement to make her a judge. But we know that Governor Odeno and ex-governor Yahaya Bello were struggling to push her into the list and see how she can become a judge, the same way Wike did for his wife, that his wife is now a judge. Okay, so but now for some reasons the NJC did not find her qualified because she didn't meet certain requirements, and now she has been dropped. A lot of people have been making their comment, but now Professor Odinkalu has come out to make his own comment as well. A well-known lawyer and human rights activist, Professor Chidi Anselm Odinkalu, has reacted to a decision of the National Judicial Commission to remove Amina Yahaya Bello from the list of nominees for appointment as judges of the High Court of Kogi State. So in a recent statement via his X handle, Odinkalu expressed his views underlining the importance of the NJC's decision in stopping attempts to compromise the integrity of the judiciary. Oh, he himself is a lawyer. No wonder he's interested in that matter. Okay. So breaking in a defeat for the forces of genitalization of the judiciary in Nigeria, it appears finally to have dropped Amina Yahaya Bello, wife of fugitive Governor Yahaya Bello, ex-Governor Yahaya Bello, from the list of nominees to be appointed as judges of the High Court of Kogi State. So breaking, and that is what has happened. So the decision comes as a result of ongoing legal battle involving Governor Yahaya Bello, who is facing fraud charges with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, leading to him being declared wanted. Odinkalu's statement reflects general concern over the politicization and the potential compromise of the judicial system, okay, particularly in cases involving individuals with interest. So the removal of Amina Yahaya Bello from the consideration for a judicial appointment underlines the importance of upholding the principles of transparency, integrity, and independence within the judiciary. So that is what Odinkalu is trying to say, that it was good that Judicial Commission did that to avoid compromising the standards in the judiciary, for compromising the policies and the judicial standard in Nigeria. So it was good that they did that in order not to sell out the integrity of the NJC and of the judiciary in Nigeria. Okay, and we're saying that part of it also, apart from the fact that she did not meet certain requirements, part of it is also concerning the husband's battle with the EFCC on fraud. Remember that Bello has been, indicted for 80.2 billion naira fraud, and in that he refused arrest and is not evading arrest, and in the line of that, EFCC declared him wanted. Even up to now, he has still not been arrested, but I know that one day they will grab him. Okay, so it's in the wake of this corruption allegation and all the matters before the husband that has not been cleared that they also decided to step her down from the list. All right, so in the comment section, obviously the person who made that nomination is also of a questionable character. Nigerians should stop creating the impression that judiciary in Nigeria is a mere smokescreen and is not meant to dispense justice to and for all, irrespective of status and affiliation. The person who made the nomination should be made to explain the motive behind that. At least NJC has asserted her independence, and this should reflect on the administration of justice in Nigeria. Kudos to the NJC. Right, correct. Oga, which explanation you still need? Her husband is a criminal who doesn't respect the law, and you then not nominate her. It doesn't work. This shouldn't be only for Yahaya Bello, but all judges from the High Court to the Supreme Court who are wives and husbands to politicians. That they should drop them, Abi. No, they can't do that. Please, can the wife of a terrorist declare wanted being employed as a DSS? That one bad one. The wife of a terrorist that had been declared wanted be a member of DSS? No, now. No, now. Because it means that the secret of the DSS will be in their pocket and they can use it to their own advantage. Exactly. That decision is a nice one. Must all the federal high court judges be the wives of sitting or former governors? Recently, wife of the FCT minister was also nominated and she passed the process. Was equally forwarded to the National Judicial Council for Appeal Court as a judge. Really, these former governors are looking for ways to cover their loots. May God Almighty save this country for us. Exactly. Okay, this country is full of witch hunting. Tinubu's wife is a pastor, okay, because that is her calling. Why stop someone from achieving her goals? Because her husband has a case. Because her husband is hiding. Of course, now, if she has she knows what to do, then she should bring her husband out if she thinks her house are clean. That is it. So that is what we are seeing here. Odinkalu has spoken that this guy, he was good that he dropped the woman from the list to safeguard and protect the integrity of the Nigerian judiciary. Okay. And again, coupled with the fact that the husband has a lot of cases on his neck, bordering on fraud and which actually amounts to criminal activities, because the amount of money that the husband is involved with, about 80.2 billion, paid school fees of the unborn children in American school. You know that it's not a small loot that they took away. I'm telling you. And pensioners are there, they are not paid. Other workers are there, they are not paid. But they are living in affluence and they are calling themselves, I don't know. So with that, the wife cannot tell us that she doesn't know what the husband is doing or what the husband did during his tenure as governor. So if the wife is a genuine judicial officer, then she should provide her husband for the FCC. She can even go and stand as her husband's lawyer or get some lawyers to represent her husband. But they're not doing all of that because they are birds of the same feather. So thank you for listening and let's have your comments.